Now, let me show you how you can search for old emails on your iPad. So what we need to do is to, of course, open up the Mail app on our iPad like this. And of course, you might be in a different inboxes or in a different folders, whatever, but you should always see the search button in the top right corner. And you can click on it. And of course, if you know anything about it, like some very specific keyword or some person that you sent emails to, which you are looking for, obviously you can type that in. But in order to find the older emails, I think it's best to filter it by the date, right? So in the search, you can not only type in some keywords, but also date information. So you can type in the month and also the year. So for example, I can type in June 2025. Right, so as you can see, I can type that in and it's gonna look for emails from that date. As you can see, not much going on. So you can kind of like see if you have anything available from that date. So for example, let me choose June 2026. Right, and if I look that up, as you can see, there are now a bunch of different emails from that specific time frame, from the month of June in the year of 2026. So as you can see, some promotional emails or whatever else was going on, you can see that I can search for it. So if you have older emails which you need to get back to, it's probably best to look it up like this. And you can also just keep on adding stuff to the search. It's not just that you can type in the month and the year. You can also type in the name of the recipient, right? So if we added the filtering that it's supposed to be from Starbucks in the June of 2026. So you can see that we have two conditions in the search really, and now only emails which were received on in this month and from this sender are now going to be shown to me. So you can filter it like this and potentially even add more conditions to the search, right? So that's how it works. That's how we can get to the older emails. Make sure you filter it by time and by the person that you want to find. But that's it for me. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe and I'll talk to you later in future uploads.